Hello, this is Matt Pullen, and I'm going to show you something I've been working on recently called Epoch Go. And Epoch Go is an interpretation of the board game Go, but is a real-time multiplayer game. And the players can place stones whenever they want. It was made with Corona SDK and is powered by the PubNub real-time network. Epoch Go is written in Lua. I used the Corona SDK to publish to my Android phone. If I had a Mac, I could also publish to iOS. So this is the Corona simulator. You know, it acts like a device. Let's start an instance of this app and say we want to host. So it creates a host. Randomized name is Pink Coffee Shop for this host. So the host is now just waiting for players to connect to it. So I'm just going to minimize that and start another instance of the Corona simulator. And this one is a player. Blind Knight Reagan is the randomized name of this player, and you'll see that we see the host that is there, Pink Coffee Shop. So if there were multiple hosts, I could scroll through them and pick one in this widget here. So I'm just going to join Pink Coffee Shop, and it's waiting for an opponent. So that's where my Android phone comes in. I have the same app on my phone here. So will you be hosting your play? Deadly Bishop Riley is the random name here. And now I'm in the lobby. I see Pink Coffee Shop. And when I join Pink Coffee Shop, the host is going to count down from 3. And when it counts down from 3, the game starts. And when the game starts, both players can tap on the intersections of the grid, the 7x7 grid here, to to start the game. So you can see this. So I'm white on the screen here. Say I place 2 white stones. Now on the phone I place 2 black stones, and if I take away all the liberties, that is the empty points surrounding or connected to the stones of this white group, is captured. So here I'm going to have white capture this black stone, and you try and you try and control as much territory as possible, while looking for opportunities to capture your opponent's stones. And you see this gray-green stone that I've created there. That was because 2 players tried to go to the same point within 500 milliseconds of each other. So that's called a crater. It's a neutral stone that takes away liberties from both sides. And the reason the game ended there is because if neither player makes a legal move for 10 seconds, that's the end of the game. The host then decides, okay, the game's over, and counts up the sides, counts up the, hey, quit making that noise. And, counts up the stones from both sides and decides who wins. So I already demonstrated craters. I was going to demonstrate those next. But here I'll try and set up a situation in which a crater creates a double capture, a capture from both sides. So like, say we set up this situation here, where now see this, the center square, either player could capture by moving there, but what if both players go there at once? Boom, crater, kills both stones. So yeah, that's sort of the innovation that I've created, the simultaneous neutral stone that gets created when both players Go. I mean, other than that, it's Go. You know, you earn territory, you surround the opponent's groups to capture it. It enforces the the capturing rules of Go. There's no Comey rule, of course, because there's no concept of turns. So I mean, say I make a single eye group like this, it's not going to let me go in the center with black because that'd be a suicide move. Those are not legal. You can't create a zero liberty group unless you are also capturing with that. So if I've taken away all other liberties of this white group and I go in the center, the white group dies. So yeah, that's Epoch Go. Is a side project of mine that I created from scratch. I did most of the logic for the for the game engine this weekend. It's obviously a work in progress, and there are some performance issues to solve before publishing this onto any app store. But overall, I'm pleased with how it works so far.